fun card for Sword and Shield Fusion Strike. It's just a fun pack. It's just free. It's a little tease. So, comes with a nice little pamphlet. And then Dynamo, Zoruga, and more Pico.
We're on to day 16. Let's see. We have a single card. It is Ryogonal.
Cute.
Super cool.